The industrial pad mount transformer from Larson Electronics offers powerful, reliable, and efficient power distribution in indoor, outdoor, and public locations. The low operating costs, low heat emissions, and low cost of ownership makes this transformer ideal for a wide range of applications and businesses. An enclosed design caters to installations on concrete pads without protective fencing. With a transformer rating of 1 KVA, the industrial transformer features a primary voltage of single-phase 13,200 Y and 7620 grounded Y, and a secondary voltage of single-phase 240 and 120 volt. The unit has a primary loop feed and dead front primary connections. This transformer also features a 5-position tap changer which allows for small changes in voltage. Larson Electronics, building trust since 1973. Contact us today.